Hello everyone, back with the Unity calendar again, and it's time for day 16. Let's see what we have. All right. Okay. I have no clue. I'm gonna have to stamp this one to see what it is. Give me a minute. So I can find out. I have no clue what it could possibly be. All right, I got scrap paper here because I've used that other side for something. Oh, it's a fairy. Ooh, fun, fun, fun. All right, let me grab my supplies and we'll make this one. Okay. I pulled out some of the Midnight Jewels Artful card kit. I ordered this when it was on sale. It's from hot off the press, and it had die cuts and double-sided papers in here. And I've chosen a piece of this to use, and this is the one that I'm going to use. I thought that was just so pretty, and I thought she would look really nice on there. I have my paper to stamp on, my card base, and I stamped earlier and it wasn't dark enough. It needed to be re-inked, so I've re-inked my stamp pad, and then I'm going to punch her out with a 1 3/4 inch punch, but I also use some silver glitter paper and my starburst punch to punch out a silver glitter starburst. All right, let's see if she's darker now. Now it's almost too dark. All right, let me, oh, I shouldn't have re-inked that. Nope, it's all or nothing. Let me try this again. There, that's what I'm going with. Oh. All right, let me punch her out. And we'll see how it goes. Now I know she's really big. Let me see what the 1 1/2 looks like. I was gonna use the 1 1/2, but I thought it was too close. Oh no, 1 1/2 is much better. All right, so let me move those out of the way. Let's see if we can get our card put together. All right. Oh, I forgot to fold and burnish it. I'm so busy adding my tape that I forgot this has to be done first. All right. Now I can do this. Make sure I put this on the right way. All right, this is going to go on here, and I have found that glue dots are the best thing to stick it on there with. So let me get some glue dots on here. All right, and I have one here. All right. And I don't have to worry about it being upright. I just have to make sure it's centered. There. Now I need some foam adhesives. And, all right, I'm going to use these. I must have used up all my large ones. So I use my little ones. And these are they're only like 1 millimeter thick. They're the thin ones, which I like. All right, now I have to make certain that she goes on correctly. And I need some sequins, so actually I want rhinestones. So let me see here. Here's a big one, and I'm going to put it up here underneath the pattern. Here's one, then a middle-sized one. There, and then a small one. Ooh, that one's going flying. There. They act like they don't want to stick. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this and put it here, and a big one. Boy, they're flying off of there. And just kind of draw your attention down there. And there's day 16 Unity card. Bye.